Click Easy Copy. Click Paper, select to choose which tray do you want to use. Click Two-Sided Copy. Click 2:2 for make copy two-sided. Click Copy Ratio. At here, you can convert your original paper to any size that you want. Slide to the left, click Exposure. Use the slider to increase the brightness for faded documents or reduce it for those that are too light. Click N-Up. With the N-Up feature, you can combine multiple pages onto a single sheet of paper, choose from 2, 4, or even more pages per side.